come to a rock. You know, like your left side.
Yeah, we're here on the trail in Portland. Blue Mountain Range. Going towards never seen before waterfall. Not even people who live in the area want to come up here. The way the road's so bad. Watch it. We're not reach a bad part yet, you know. And the boy Kyle Reynolds that. And the guide in front, Boogie, who claims him know the way, but take us to some fuckery spot already. Yeah, man, save it by full battery. Well, we'll take this in the river, you know. I have the waterproof piece for it. GoPro. Year 2012. The year of the Armageddon, them say. But we are go through the jungle, we'll find one hiding spot. Because the Armageddon will go whole way.
Attack point.
Yeah. When Chef forward, we can come up here with chair and fight some war. I forgot to read that book there.
Do you have the documentary or what?
Yeah, I have part 1 and part 2.
Wicked?
Yeah, nice one.
Bad money?
I don't watch part 2 yet. Can't get the subtitles to work.
Man, hard though.
Hard, man. And he make Castro win, you know.
Yeah.
Castro, they just want a country to dominate, you know, and rule. Alright, we'll save some of the footage. I'll go up some bad spots, see them here. I'll save this footage till we reach the waterfall. Okay, come on. Yeah.